Hey, what's up? It's your boy Big M F and E, aka E Biggs. Back at another YouTube video. This one has got to do with my Optima battery. I cleaned it up now, so it looks pretty much like it did when I got it. But I've had it since probably December of 2016. It's now February 2018. I noticed like over the last couple of months, I've been coming out to like if I'm not starting my car every day, it seems like I'm coming out to having to charge the battery with the charger or whatever. I guess whatever's on standby in my car is draining it between the alarm and whatever else may be going on. But it's at the point now. Whatever day I tried to charge it up with my trusty old charger, and the charger wouldn't even come on. I've learned that these chargers only come on if it's 10.5 or better of electricity in it, and volts of electricity in the battery. If not, it won't even kick on. So that sucks because you can't charge it because it doesn't have a charge. Hey, Lou, well, you stealing the shot. Get out of here. But either way, I found out from cool guys on YouTube how to set it up with a secondary battery to kind of like trick this thing into coming on. So this is the battery out of my wife's car, which is a good running battery. I took it out and set it up so now the light actually comes on the charger. The light wouldn't even come on the charger before. What sucks too is that it's only 11.76 volts. I thought it would be more than that. Yesterday I tried to actually do it with this here. That battery is dead. I found some other ways. I'm going to probably do another video on how to rejuvenate that battery with some other stuff. I'm going to work on that next. But I got this one at least charging up now. Hopefully if it gets to 10.5, then I can take this battery off and the charger will be able to charge it most of the way on its own. I did order one of those Optimum chargers. The Optimum 400, which is the smaller of the two, which is supposed to really get that deep cycle charge in there and get this thing back up to full, at minimum 12.6 volts. I've seen a lot of positive things on YouTube about it. I'm hoping it works out for me that way because I'd hate to buy another one of these batteries. From the time I bought this back in December of 2016, it seems like the price of this battery is almost doubled, which is crazy to me. So I'm definitely going to try to do what I can with that. So I'll let you guys know how I make out right now. It's 11.76. I got it on charging up on this here. I got the charger. It says AGM. I wouldn't trust that because it never did anything on AGM for me. And I got it going on 10 amps. They tell me that 10 amps is the right selection for this here. So don't try to go for the 50 or the 2. It's not ready for trickle charge. Let it come up first. After we get it up to a good voltage, then we could think about doing a trickle charge for about 24 hours and really get the most out of it. But for now, I need to get that 10 amps going. Check out the follow-up, and I'll let you know how it worked out. I'm hoping it works to the best. Have a good day.